Hello guys, welcome to Metrofix YouTube channel. So I'm going to today explain about the BODMAS rule. First we have to do what is this letters stand for. B for brackets, then O for order of the powers of powers, then D for divide, and M for sorry this one M for multiplication. Then A for add, and also S for subtraction. This is used to definitely used to when we solve the equation. We use this rule to solve the equation. It is definitely we need to use actually. So then we will see how to solve some equation. Let's take this one, 36. This is divide mark, and 6 multiplying 3 plus 2 to the power 2 and 3 plus 5. So when we take like this equation, so what is we are going to first solve part. This part to this one no, this two oh, what is it? Some question here. So it is solved by this BODMAS rule. So you can see in here B for bracket. We first take the bracket like this, okay? 36. We solve this bracket first because B bracket 6 into 3 plus 2 to the power 2, same. Okay, we solve this inside. 3 plus 5 is 8. First we do, okay, here first. Then what we have to do? Order of power. Here we can see order of power is here, this one, okay. Then we solve this as a next step. 2 to the power 2 is 4. This is coming same. In next step, what is it? Then we have to divide. Then we have here this divide part. 36 divided by 6 is 6. This 2, then multiply by 3 plus 4 minus 8, okay. Then in this rule what we have next have, then multiplication. We doing this two part, okay. 6 into 3 18 plus 4 minus 8. You can see clearly. Then add these two. We doing 8 plus 4 means 22. Then next is 8. Then last is subtraction. 22 minus 8, what is it? Answer is 14. This is the final answer of this whole equation solving according to the BODMAS rule. Okay guys, that's it. Thank you.